Hey there, new drivers. I'm here to show you how to check your car's engine oil in just 2 minutes. It's super easy and really important for keeping your engine running smoothly. So let's dive in. First, make sure your car is parked on a flat surface and the engine is off. Safety first, folks. Now, pop the hood and find the oil dipstick. It usually has a bright handle, so it's easy to spot. Got it? Great. Pull the dipstick out and wipe it clean with a rag or paper towel. This step is crucial because we need an accurate reading. Once it's clean, reinsert the dipstick all the way back in. Now, pull it out again and check the oil level. You'll see 2 marks on the dipstick, one for low and one for full. If the oil level is between these marks, you're good to go. If it's below the low mark, you'll need to add some oil. Easy, right? But wait, there's more. While you have the dipstick out, take a good look at the oil's color and consistency. Fresh oil is usually amber and clear. If it looks dark and dirty, it's time for an oil change. Remember, checking your oil regularly can save you from major engine troubles down the road. So, make it a habit. And that's it. You're now a pro at checking engine oil. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick car tips. Drive safe and see you next time.